Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the first page and launching Windows Fax and Scan. Choose New Scan and pick your scanner and the document profile. This keeps text sharp. Set 200 to 300 DPI and color or grayscale depending on the original. Use Show Preview so you can confirm crop and orientation before committing. Once done, scan the first page and keep the preview window open. This makes it simple to append additional pages into the same scan job, rather than creating separate files. Once the first page is in the preview, load the next sheet and use Scan again but append it to the current job. This builds a multi-page document. Make sure to check each page in preview. Rotate, crop, and rescan any page with skew or missed content. If Windows Fax and Scan offers multi-page TIFF output, save that file now. If it only saves individual images, export each page in consistent format and file name order. This guarantees correct sequencing when you later combine into a single PDF. To finish, open your multi-page TIFF or the folder of scanned images in a program that can print to PDF. Select Print and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Confirm page order and margins, then print to a single PDF file. Alternatively, insert images into Word in order and export as PDF for more layout control. If a page is missing, rescan and insert it. If orientation or cropping is off, rotate or crop before creating the PDF. A key troubleshooting tip: if pages don't append, save each page then combine with Word or a PDF printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.